How to delete your Cash App account history. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can delete our Cash App account history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to delete your Cash App account history, you can just try doing this. You can open up Cash App over here, and then once you open the Cash App, all you need to do is just tap the profile icon here, and then you want to simply scroll down, go to support. Once you go to support, in the search box you simply want to type in something such as close your Cash App account. So just go ahead and type in this keyword called close Cash App account here. Once you simply enter close your Cash App account, you have to delete your Cash App account, and all of your transaction history, personal information and account data will be permanently deleted. Just keep in mind that you won't be able to use the same phone number or email address to create a new Cash App account in the future. Now this is the only thing you can do, because currently if you're talking about deleting your Cash App history, then you cannot just delete your transaction history. You can only delete all of your information by closing your account altogether. Okay, so hopefully this video answered the question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.